So I cleaned my K&N cone filter with the cleaning agent that's in the recharger kit. So right now, after drying it for about, I guess, 30 minutes, I'll put the aerosol. So yeah, I'll do that right now. So this is the aerosol charger for the K&N. So what you have to do is just to have evenly put and spray this on the section and make sure that there's no more white spots, and let it dry for about 5 minutes, then check if there's still white spots. So I'm gonna do that right now. So after applying this to the entire cone, just wipe the excess oils on the sides, because oil attracts dirt, and that will make it easier to absorb dirt in the engine bay. So like this, at this part, as you can see, I've already sprayed it, but there's still white spots right here, so you just have to respray that as well. I'll get back to you once I have sprayed it entirely. So I am done respraying the entire section, so right now I'm just letting it dry. I'm gonna wait for about at least 10 minutes and go back and check if there are still white spots, and I'll respray it if it does have. So as you can see, it's nice and even as of right now, but yeah, still have to double check just to make sure. So I have finally cleaned my Canon filter and applied the necessary amount of recharger oil on this using an aerosol spray, and right now I'm already gonna install it back to my engine bay. So I'm done installing back my can filter into my engine bay, and I can say it looks quite nice. So the dirt has been removed from before and it looks brand new. Yeah, so that's how you clean your can and comb filter. I suggest you clean it at least once a year just to make sure that it's on optimum performance. Yeah, that will be all. Thank you for watching.